Hare Krishna. Vishnu and his newly wedded wife, Lakshmi, were in a cinema hall. Newly wedded people, they keep on talking something. There is no subject, there is no limit. Then the man in the back seat, he said whoosh whoosh 2 times, but these people are not in a mood to listen. Their picture is playing, cinema. That hero, he is telling something to that heroine, these people are not able to hear. After telling 2-3 times, he said, tapped on his shoulder and said, "Sir, we are not able to hear." They became more serious, Vishnu. Why should he hear what myself and my wife are talking? He thought he is not able to hear these couples' dialogues. So when you are engaged like that, then you are not bothered about the other things. Now in the sloka, Krishna talks about constantly engaged. What is that? We will see in chapter 8, sloka 8.
अभ्यासयोगयुक्तेन चेतसा नान्यगामिना परमं पुरुषं दिव्यं याति पार्थानुचिन्तयन्.
Krishna says to Arjuna, he who meditates on the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is myself, his mind constantly engaged in remembering me, undeviated from the path, he is sure to reach me. Very clear-cut definition and declaration. The idea is we must keep on thinking of him. Mind should be engaged in remembering him only, and we should not see left or right. That is the surest way of reaching him. When you see practically the other slokas and earlier now, we find that this is one of the many criteria of reaching him after our full life. We have to slowly know about all of them and choose the one suitable for us. This is important because what is the alternative? The alternative is to be born again and undergo all the routine matters again. You remember a joke in this? Two people always failing. They somehow reached the 10th class. He failed. Then he told his buddy, I am going to commit suicide. I am failing. I failed. He said, he is more sane, more sensible. He said, don't do that. Otherwise, what will happen? Will you born again? Again, fail in UKG, fail in LKG, and again failure. So, don't do that. So, we are all doing that. We are failing in our life, then again born, again struggling, coming up, again failing, again struggling. Because once we are born and do all the things congenial, suitable for reaching Krishna, that means a proper guru, proper Gita knowledge, proper advice. If it is not God, if it is God, then straight away there is the path for you, you can reach. There are also methods Krishna has told how it happens. So that we are not doing. So either there is a lapse somewhere or here or there. No guidance, improper guidance, misguidance. Our mind is not receptive. Our mind is going towards other things. Our sense control is not there. All these things will make us go away from that. Again, born again, dying again, born again, dying again. Birth, death, old age and disease. Krishna gives questions like in IIM, CAT, IIT, objective type questions, multiple choice questions to us. This only shows somehow he wants us with him. So at least you pass this, at least you become like this, at least you follow this simple method. You will find that more in 12th chapter. Gives an umpteen number of choices in that. How eager he is proven that he wants his children to be with him. This is a typical feeling of a universal loving father. Hare Krishna.